Hello, my people. Do you know that's a way you can make money? You travel, you make money, and again, you create a network of like minds. Okay, I'm talking to anybody that like anything eco-friendly. Have you been hearing of eco-friendly from Africa, or you've been hearing about how to save the earth? Okay, let me just use that word, how to save the earth, because there are a group of people, they have gathered wealth, they have gathered money, and they say that the environment is dying and they want to save it, either by organic food or by trying to make sure that the pollution is not will not go out of hand. And again, there are set of people that have so much money and they are funding this you know uh, um campaigns. So now, where do you come in? That's the question. And I will tell you where you come in. You come in because if you are in that part of network, you say that you want to save the earth, you like organic food, and you want the earth to be rid of, pollution. If you studied something like biochemistry or chemical engineering or anything that's geography, urban and regional planning, and social work, um, um, anything public health. Yes, public health people, they are conscious of environment, they are conscious of spread of disease, infection, food chain system of diseases going into food chain. There's a lot of people that are interested by career or by association or by study. They are always angry about the way me and you is destroying the earth. We are destroying the earth because we are still eating meat. They said people that eat meat are destroying the world, that we have to be eating organic food, vegetable. They don't want to use fertilizer. So, they are against a lot of things. In this UK, we are not going to, they are no longer giving us a plastic bag in the shop. You have to pay it, and that money we pay for plastic bags go into funding of this kind of campaign, like eco-friendly system of environment, pollution. Like if you're from Nigeria, we have oil exploration in Nigeria, and you can see what is happening in Ogoni, which is in River State. So that kind of, if you're from River State, yes, or you're from oil producing nation, and the oil has destroyed your community and all that, and you want a network of millionaires, people, visa sponsorship funders. This is where you come in. That's what you want to hear. They can fund your visa so that you will come to this Europe or anywhere in the Western world like US, and you will be campaigning of the earth, telling us what to do and what not to do, telling us we should stop eating meat, telling us we should stop using plastic food, telling us that we should recycle, telling us that we should eat only organic food. If this interests you, this is what you want to travel from out of Africa to become, to come and be doing, educating us, and they will teach you so that you go. They are looking for Africans that they will teach, coach to go back to Africa and be telling us not to eat meat, telling us not to disturb natural conservatives and all that. There are things they campaign against. So there's this lady here. Do you know this lady, Greta? This kind of thing. The people that are sponsoring her and the people that are behind her are behind this organization. And this organization are visa sponsorship funders for people that will be telling us not to eat meat, that will be telling us how to care for the environment, that will be telling us to eat only organic food. They don't eat anything that is used, fertilizer is used to grow. So you should know what you're getting into. So it's not like they give you funding and you come to here and be eating what they said you shouldn't eat. Hey, they are organic focused. You know what I mean, organic focused? They are the people we call campaigners. Like they are so strong. Oh. They can go and disrupt governments. I showed you this girl now. If you've not heard of her, that girl Trump said, I don't want to say that word here. Trump used one kind word against her because she gave Trump a hard time. So now you ask me, where do you start? And I will show you where you start, and I will show you everything you need to do when we get back. So stay right with me. If you're interested for visa sponsorship funders to fund you and coach you, train you, so that you'll be going around the world and be telling us this thing I'm telling you now. So if you're interested, if you like food, don't just come. Because these people, they don't eat anyhow. They say they only eat what is grown organically. So if you are organic focused and your everything is organic focused in your life, and they don't want to hear that you're killing animal. So if you're from a place that they kill animal anyhow, they don't want you. So if you are interested in this kind of campaign and you want people to fund you, I will tell you the process, and it's easy as ABCD when we return back. I will see you when we return back. Bye. Okay, guys, let's get into it. Number one, you have to choose a country where you want to go and learn about those things. They will fund you. So you choose a country. Then number two is explore the host list. There's a list of this campaign. If it's that Sweden you want to go, United States of America you want to go, or UK you want to come to UK and be telling us not to eat anyhow, or you want to go Belgium, you want to go to Belgium, or you want to go to Netherlands, or you want to go to New Zealand, or you want to go to Australia or Canada, you choose. Then you explore the host list and you choose. Then you sign up. So signing up, you create a profile and start contacting your host. So this one is not, you will be contacting your host, directly by yourself. Remember that membership will give you access to specific of WWOOF organization. So after that, then you plan your stay. Because, like I said, you will be telling us how to live and telling us what not, things that we shouldn't do. This is the kind of thing, these people do. And this is what they do for a living. I'm being honest. So this is what you'll be doing. You need to be narrating how what we are doing is affecting the environment. You need to be telling us what we should do. So if it is you read something in medical like biochemistry, chemical engineering, or urban and regional planning, geography, health science, integrated science, or you are a yoga instructor, because they do all this kind of yoga health wise, how to live healthy wise. They don't even want to use gym, they only use yoga. So because they said gym that it burn electricity, so you can see their thinking. So their thinking is that they don't want you to burn fossil fuel or to power anything. Things have to be in solar system panel, environment. They are after environments, and they grow only organic food. And if you want them to coach you, they will sponsor your visa and you will come to America or Britain or Sweden, or because this girl I showed you, she's from Sweden, I think. So you come, go there and they will train you. Then you will now become a member and be telling us these things I'm telling you, like this girl normally say. So if you've not heard of her, look at her name on the screen. Look at her. So go and read the kind of campaign they are doing. So this is what you'll be doing. For me, I know myself, I can't do it. I can't stop eating food. There are things I cannot because I know myself. So this thing kind of, but it's good because they say you will live long, you will not have cancer. That's what they normally say, that if you don't eat food with fertilizer, you have to eat your organic grown food, that you will not have some diseases, and they are always healthy, that kind of thing. Yes, I must confess, they are not really overweight. They are always healthy people. So, but people like me, I love my food. I'm so sorry. So now look at their website on the screen. So you go there, you have to sign up, you have to choose what you want to do. Then they will not contact you, they will not come and teach you, prepare your visa and everything, so that you come and be telling us what and what not to do. Then you participate in the everyday life of your host, learn new skill and share your experience. So because I think what they are trying to do is to get younger people and people that are willing to spread the message, like eco-friendly is a big thing. It's a multi-billion dollar campaign. I'm telling you, they have money. Yes, they have money. And they have, succeeded in making many things happen. Yes, they have succeeded in making, there are countries, as I am speaking to you, they have to ration the cow they kill in that country. Yeah, to tell you that these people, they are fiercely, moving. They are like a moving train. These eco-friendly and organic people, they are like a moving train. So if you are interested, their number is in the screen. So you go and learn and come and teach us, because we want to be healthy. Maybe we can join you and start eating healthy and start living healthy and start doing organic, things and all that. And start spreading the message. And when you come back, they might fund you to come to Ogoni and help them clean the environment. This are what they are after. They are after this kind of thing, so that they want to preserve the environment. That is their thing. They want to preserve the environment. So this is it. You go to their website, you start registering, start preparing, start choosing your host. Maybe the one you will say that you want to fight plastic bag, or you say you want to fight people killing cow and killing dog meat in your country, or you will say you want to participate in growing organic food, only that, you should go and preach to your people how to be growing organic food only. Or you will say that you want to stop people from driving a fuel car. Yes, as I am speaking to you, in 2040, all the fuel powered car will stop. So to tell you how fiercely this, the date is 2040. Go and Google it. 2040, European Union, there will be no any car being fueled by petrol or diesel. So everything now is moving to clean energy, is what they call it. Clean energy. So this is it. And I wish you luck in this your campaign and your travel journey to learn about this thing. But I wish you luck, and we would like to learn from you when you come back, or when you, after traveling the world, you come back and tell us how your experience is, and what organic food has done in your body or your system, and the living eco-friendly way or lifestyle, how it has impacted you. So this is good, and I would like to benefit from your wealth of knowledge when you come back. So this is where I'll be ending this video, and I wish you luck when you apply. If you have any issues, the only thing you need is valid passports and ready to be doing campaign around the world, traveling around the world, Europe, America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So the only thing you need is to be a good campaigner that is telling people not to eat food grown by fertilizer. But I don't know whether how you're gonna push that thing in Africa. But I wish you luck. I wish you luck. So see you when you know, has graduated from this campaign. I will see you, and you teach us your from your weight of experience. And thank you so much for listening. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video, and you should know the drill by now. Please subscribe, share this video in your platform, and please tell your family members, your wife or your husband, or your father, your mother, or your mate, or your colleagues about Womiba Finance Channel, because we are here to help you to, help each other to share information that will help all of us. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave your notification button on. I'll be coming all the time to give you. Bye.